the trees fill the air. Sunlight dances like it just don't care. Mountains hum a tune deep and bright. Nature's orchestra takes flight. Rivers sing with laughter pure and clear. Wildflowers serenade the heart, no fear. Animals in harmony, love profound. In every heartbeat, nature's sound. Hold the earth close under sky so wide, love. Protect what we can't hide. Feel the rhythm, life's so grand. Nature's love, our hearts command. Footsteps through the forest, soft and slow. Echoes of the past, let it show. Every leaf tells stories untold. In nature's arms, we're pure gold. Moonlight's glow upon the shore. Oceans whisper secrets forever.